Right. So you don't have a high school degree, maybe you don't have a college degree, and you're trying to really just figure out life. You're trying to figure out how can I make money? How can I generate money? That isn't an entry level job. What skills can I acquire? What can I do to really enhance my life? And so today I'm going to be talking about a way that you can start making money online. But no, I'm not going to be talking about any drop shipping or whatever else people try and sell you, creating a course or whatever it is, online personal fitness training. This is something that you can actually do, that's actually applicable, that is, it's kind of, this industry is kind of like in a leeway right now where you, with no experience, can jump in and really start making money. So what is that? I'm talking today about selling SEO services. So what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. So whenever I search something on Google, and I'll do that right here. Whenever I go to Google and I search up, let's say, I don't know, I just need to search up any business or any item or anything. So if I search up landscaping, so you can see here the first people that pop up: Yelp. Obviously the first Google My Business is Zanescapes. This is in my area, but the first things that pop up: landscaping design, Opie's Landscaping, Branson Premier. So basically what search engine optimization is getting your business or the business owner to be one of the first websites that pops up whenever somebody searches something, right? So how do you get to be one of these first websites that pop up? Well, it has a lot to do just with your website in general and posting what you call blog posts. I like to think of it as like an Instagram feed. So I'll just go here, I'll open up Instagram. You'll see who I'm following really quick. It doesn't really matter, I don't care. But think of it like an Instagram feed. So SEO, these blog posts that you're posting to your website, right? So you see, like, whenever I open up my Instagram, it'll be like the most recent up top, and then you scroll and it gets like less recent. But then, the most recent posts always get up top, and then you go and you refresh the page and it's a different post because it's even more recent. So with SEO, and this isn't exactly how it works, but if you have no understanding of how it works, just think of it this way. So whenever you post an SEO blog post, you want to remain on top. So you want to keep posting and keep posting and keep posting. So there's a lot of maintenance involved with owning a website and owning a high ranking website. Now, it isn't 100% like Instagram feed or TikTok or Facebook, whatever, because you can create so many blog posts that eventually they just do super well. So whenever somebody searches something specifically, if you have a blog post on your website talking about that thing that person searched, even if it was a year ago, if it's a really, really well done blog post, then that same post will keep popping up for those people. Anyways, so how can you sell this service very easily to businesses? Well, lucky for you, you don't have to figure out how to write SEO blog posts, because there's this tool called Journalist AI. I'm going to show you guys really quick how to use it, and a SEO strategy that is guaranteed to help you outrank the competitors and help you get more clients to start selling to people and start making money using this. So this Journalist AI is free to use. It's extremely easy, and it generates you blog posts like this. So this is, I just made something about some fidget spinner or something. So the ultimate guide to light up fidget spinners. It gives you a table of contents. It gives you links to other websites, which is really good. for your blog posts. But the beauty of this is that you don't have to understand the blog post. You don't have to understand all the intricacies, all the algorithms that Google has whenever monitoring this, because this software does it all for you. It provides YouTube videos that are applicable to the topic. And so how do you generate these? You come over here, you can generate from YouTube videos, you can generate a news article, you can have an Amazon product review. But right here, I'm just going to show you guys a really quick strategy that you can use to start selling to these people. So you have a friend with a business owner. Maybe you walk into some local restaurant somewhere and you chum it up with the employees there. You know them really well. There's a gym that you frequent, that you go to all the time. You know them. You probably have some good relationships within your community already that you don't realize. And so just start letting people know, like, hey, I do this online. Obviously, this isn't going to replace your income right away. You still are going to have to work your 9 to 5, but this is something that you can do on the side passively, and you can charge, $1,000, $2,000 per month from a client to be running these SEO blog posts for them. And once you get it up and running, it essentially just is on autopilot. So what I'm going to show you is this tool called SEMrush, because this is just a strategy that you're going to use while creating these articles. So you're going to go to SEMrush, you're going to come down to the keyword magic tool, and you're just going to search up, I searched up right here, health spa. So health spa right here, you'll see the volume of searches, and you'll see right here the intent. So the intent is like, this says commercial, so the user wants to investigate brands or services whenever they search up health spa. And then you have over here the keyword difficulty percentage. So this is the difficulty level that it is to tap into this specific keyword. So you see you have 9,900 searches, so you have a 52% difficulty to enter that. So there's a lot of people targeting that keyword. But what I want to show you is we can come down here. We want to look for the transactional, so people who are looking to buy, and for the easier 24% entry difficulty. So we want to collect all of these words, right? There's lots and lots of words. There's another one right here, DC Ranch Village Health Clubs and Spa. We want to target all of these. Green Health Spa right here. That's 32%. It's lower. So we want to target all of these lower keywords that people are searching whenever they're looking to make a purchase, that we will be able to target. And then once we find those keywords, we come over to Journalist AI and we just select, like, we want an SEO article. We come over keywords, and then we can just nail all of those keywords that we want to target. That way, each of our blog posts that it generates for us is optimized with all of those keywords. Now, why do we not target the number one keyword, right? Well, the number one keyword is going to be the hardest one to enter into. But if we come down here and we get 10 or 15 of these lower ranking keywords, but they have 800 monthly searches, 900, 1,000 monthly searches, pretty soon, if we get 15, 20 of those, it's going to outrank or outperform the 9,900 searches on the volume. And that is the fastest way that you can get your client's site to start ranking high on Google. So I'm just going to show you guys really quick. I have it all mapped out right here. You get those words, and then you get those extremely high monthly searches. So I hope that helped for you understand a little bit better, and I'll see you in the next one.